The Deputy Governor-elect is going to take his oath of office for the office of Deputy Governor, and I will ask you to kindly read these words after me. As you take this oath, then you can read them after me, and what you're going to say is that I, Dr. James Ondicho Gesami, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the Deputy Governor of Nyamira County, and that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or goodwill. So help me God. So proceed.
I, Honorable Dr. James Ondicho Gesami, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.